Just a quick one about odd and even numbers. This is modular arithmetic, FYI, where the modulus is 2. As you know, the result of successively adding 1 to an integer causes it to flip-flop between odd and even. If you want to make an odd number even or an even number odd, it doesn't matter whether you know its value or not, you can just add 1 to it, and that will have the effect. Technically that's inverting its congruence class. But it's similar to logical negation. If you want to make a false value true or a true value false, doesn't matter whether you know its value or not, you could logically negate it. Same thing with adding 1 for odd and even numbers. And of course, if you add 2 odd numbers, you get an even number. If you add an even number and an even number, you get an even number. It's only if you add an odd and an even that you get an odd value. That means that adding together row and column numbers, for example, gives you this kind of checkerboard pattern of odd and even numbers, which is useful if you want to do something like this. So multiplying odd number times an odd number gives you an odd number, even times an even gives you an even, and an odd times an even gives you an even as well. And if you multiply, instead of adding, if you multiply row and column numbers, you get this kind of waffle shape, which is useful if you want to do something like this.